Now I'm gonna remove the cruise control unit. Need to unscrew this bolt here and this bolt here. Okay, so I'm just gonna this here. Okay. There is a clip here. Push it up, get it out of the way. Now remove the cover. Here. So this cover here. Now remove this one. And take this wire out. Okay. Sort of put here. Now these two clips here, here and here. Okay, so one. Put this side a little bit. Now we need to unloosen the engine mount here. In order to do this, we need to make this bolt a little loose first, and then check the engine and remove those two. So now you want to support the engine, so you need to you eventually will need to raise the engine a little bit. So now I wanna put a jack. There's a jack, and I have a piece of wood here. I'm gonna raise it. Okay, now these two. So now just pull it out. Pull the AC line out of there, out of the clip. Okay, and you need to remove these three bolts. One here, one there, one here. Oops. Okay. I have a magnet for that. Very useful tool. Now just pull it out. The old one was all cracked, so the rubber was cracked, so I bought a new one. This is the rest of the mount. In order to do this, I need to lower the engine a little bit, because I need to line up the holes here. Okay. Okay, I need to lower it down a little bit more. Okay, so you might need to tweak it a little bit to get these guys in, start them right, but once you do that, it's all good. The torque is 28. I'm gonna lower the engine and move.